Hey y'all, what's up? It's Miss Machiavelli here and I'm back with another video. Today I will be showing y'all how I style my Jayda Wayda braids. And so yeah, I just retwisted my locks. This is what it's giving. I feel like they probably need to dry a little bit more, but I'm just gonna put the rubber bands on it. Get some jumbo rubber bands from the beauty supply store. I'm just doing this gel that I used, y'all. I stay switching up the gel, but I use this, and y'all, it did what it had to do. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it definitely got me right, y'all. So I'm gonna do four. I'm gonna do four.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. 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 You could bet.
So what I'm just doing here is splitting the sections into four. This is me finishing one side. So I got two right there, two in the back. And yeah, so how many ever ponytails y'all want, I would just go ahead and put the ponytails together. And I'm using jumbo rubber bands from the beauty supply store. Hey y'all, so this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna do the black hairs first, but first I'm gonna section off. I wanna do the front braid last. So I make sure it's even. Then I'm gonna clip it. I'm gonna section off the hair. I want, a good amount of strands. So this hair is a little rough, y'all, no cap. So I'm just doing the best I can. Maybe I should wet it first. I feel like spraying them just make them less tangled. I So right here, I'm just going in with some setting foam to put down the flyaways, put everything together. And if I do end up having some little pieces of hair or some locks that's sticking out, I just rubber band it down and you can't even tell. So later on in the video, if I'm able to tell that it's there, I'll point it out to y'all and show you where I did it. But yeah.
2 cups, toast on with the gang, from food stamps to a whole nother domain. Out the bottle, I'm a living proof, super, and compromising $500,000 on the coupe, drug houses, looking like Peru, graduated, I was overdue, I was pink money, I can barely move, ask about it, I'm gon' bust a move, Red James, 33 chains, Ocean now, cruising Biscayne, big fun, top bump, that's a liability, hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline, big fun, Percocet, Molly Percocet, big fun, Percocet, Molly Percocet, big fun, represent, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, big fun, mask on, fuck it, mask off, big fun, mask on, fuck it, mask off, big fun, Percocet, Molly Percocet, big fun, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, photo maybe, I drive anything, buy my ring, make them go insane.
So right here, I just took the ponytails down because I felt like when I was braiding, one side had more tension and kind of pulled the ponytail below one of the other ones. So they weren't even. So I just took them down and redid them. And I'm so sorry if I sound sick, y'all. I do have a little cold, so bear with me. But yeah, that's why I am redoing the ponytail, so they'll be even. And I'm just doing the same thing on this side, making sure this ponytail is where the other one is. So yeah, y'all. Quick and easy hairstyle. It took me about an hour to do this. So if y'all liked it, please recreate it and tag me in it. I would love to see how it looks. It's so many things that y'all could do to locks. Y'all locks are so versatile, and I am enjoying and so happy to show y'all videos if y'all didn't know how versatile locks could be. And so hopefully more videos on the way of different hairstyles. So yeah, y'all tap in with me, dreadhead.
Split mind, no need an assignment. Straightforward, eyes on the climbing. On your side, no man at the climbing. We're already.
I just fixed all my little imperfections, my little dreads sticking out with the rubber band. Here's the finished touches of it. I feel like it came out alright. It's decent. But I hope y'all like the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.